So somebody on Facebook asked me to do a eyelash application tutorial. I'm in the middle of doing my makeup. This is a colorful Valentine's Day makeup. So I'm just gonna apply the lashes and do that video separately just because she asked. These are the lashes that I have. I think I am going to use these second to last row. So I'm just opening the package. There we are. Can get my tweezers, and I'm gonna pull from this side, and there you go. This for the left eye. Normally I would measure it up on the eye to see if it's too long for my eyes, and of course it's not that long. I was going to take off a small piece from the outer edge. So this is the edge I'll be taking piece from. So just a small piece. I'm gonna apply the glue. This is the glue I'll be using. This is the eyelash glue, and it's supposed to dry clear, I think. To shake over before use. Anti-fungus natural extracts added, dries quickly, waterproof, durable. And what I normally do is I hold the lash onto the tweezers like this. And I'm gonna get some glue. I prefer to use something to apply it. I'm going to squeeze some on the edge of this brush. I'm using the tip of this brush, and then I'm going to spread it evenly onto the lash band. I'm going to make it air dry a little for a couple seconds. Then I'm going to try to apply it, and I'm using my eyeliner as a guide.
Tunes production.
Purchase your tracks today.
Tunes production.
Purchase your tracks today.
So you can be as close to the lash line as possible. And sometimes what I'll do is I'll get my eyeliner and I will line above right here again with a thin line to hide any specks of glue that might be showing after it is dried. So Same thing for the other eyelash. I'm taking it from the paper. Twisting it onto the eye. It's not really that long. I don't think I want to cut this one. I'm adding some glue. Adding into the lash band. Making it dry for a couple seconds so it can be tacky, and then we're going to apply it to my eyelids using my eyeliner as a guide.
Monitor, check to all the Caribbean girls. Wine me gal, island girls. You rise, are so beautiful. Your smile is incredible. The way you whine, you trap my mind. Wine me gal, you should be my girl. Wine it for me, move your body. Island girl, you are the best. The way you whine, you trap my mind. Wine me gal, you should be my girl. Wine it for me, move your body. Island girl, you are the best. When you tease my body, tease my mommy. On your hand, you ring me wallet.